Oh God, I can't believe we're adding it to Tropicalia, my giant rainforest ecosystem vivarium. But I had to, because last week I found out there were too many roaches and there was need for a new predator. Okay, here we go. I added both of my gloves on and prepared to remove the predator from the container. I brought it to Tropicalia and gracefully added it inside to its new home. This is the story of Tropicalia's new predator. The predator is now inside Tropicalia, and that immediately changes how the ecosystem works. This frog doesn't chase its prey. It's a tomato frog. It is a sit-and-wait predator that reacts very quickly. So instead of waiting for a random moment, I'm gonna test it. I'm introducing a live ant using tweezers. This way, we can clearly see its response. Watch closely and there it is. Did you see how it grabbed the ant? Fast, efficient, and back to waiting. I honestly think it's a very good predator. And this is how it's gonna help control small prey inside Tropicalia. Now, it's just a matter of how much impact it will have over time. Apart from our tomato frog, our vivarium was going pretty well. This isopod was going about its business, breaking down leaf litter and cleaning the forest floor, completely unaware of the new predator nearby. The ants were just as active, exploring, foraging, and expanding their territory. Each one focused on its task. Even the roaches continued as usual, feeding and hiding among the leaf litter, keeping a low profile as they always do. Every creature was playing its role, keeping the system running. But now, there's something new in the system. And sooner or later, it will make an impact. A few days later, I started spotting very interesting things, like those ants there which probably captured a roach. And look at the dubia roach over there that just came out of its exoskeleton. It's now officially an adult. And our tomato frog was doing better than ever.